The BlockDAG x30 miner claims to earn you up to 600 BDAG coins a day. But is that number real or just hype from another crypto pre-sale product? Let's break it down quickly. The x30 miner is advertised with a 280 gigahashes hash rate and low power usage. It's designed to be plug and play and marketed to casual users, not pros. BlockDAG says it can mine up to 600 BDAG daily, but that's under perfect conditions. There are no independent tests or real reviews to confirm those results. Also, BDAG isn't listed on any major exchange yet, so those coins have no real-world value right now. If the coins gain value, earnings could be big, but that's a huge if. Most of the hype comes from BlockDAG's own team and marketing materials. The X30 might hit 600 BDAG a day, but only in theory. Until the coin launches and users report real results, take the numbers with caution. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.